Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo, and in today's video I'm going to tell you the truth about digital marketing. So let's get into it. So first guy, I want to tell you something. This is my very first video. I'm very uncomfortable on camera. Uh, I don't know how to edit. I don't know anything. It's very simple with my iPhone. So please be kind, don't judge. I'm doing my best. All right, so 4 years ago, I moved from Italy to US, and all of my life, what I did is being a hairstylist, right? I always wanted to do like something like working independently, because there's nothing wrong about being a hairstylist, right? But I wanted to make more money. I wanted to have my freedom to be able to travel and go see my family. All of my family still back in Italy, and I wanted to find a way. I always been searching to find a way to make some money while I was traveling, or extra money, or maybe like do it as a full job. I didn't know anything about what is an autoresponder, what is a sales funnel. I didn't know nothing of that. So during the pandemic, I was obviously like everyone, I was without job and I was struggling to make some money. And I start searching on internet. I start searching and see what possibility they are. And everyone was like talking with my friend. Everyone was like telling me about digital marketing. I was looking on internet and see this guy, this guru that promised you to make a lot of money and whatnot. So like my purpose of being here today and in the future is to share my journey with you that just like me don't know anything about it, because I'm not a guru. I just want to share my journey with you and maybe like encourage you or support you in the same way to get into it, because I think this is great. There's still a lot of possibility and you can do very well. So while I was searching, I found a lot of gurus that were there, like selling their product, try to sell you like a course really expensive, which, let's be honest, I can spend like so much money into these courses. Like I personally couldn't. So I tried to search, and at the end, I find this company, Legendary Marketer, which I personally think it's a very good company. So first of all, to join, it's very cheap. It's like a coffee at Starbucks. You can get 15 days of training. 15 days of training where they explain you and they take you step by step into what it takes to become a digital marketer. So I decided to join. I said, that's not a big deal. It's just like $7-10, something like that, less than $10. It wasn't a big deal. And so I did it, and it was just like amazing. They have like a Facebook group. They have like a live support where you can talk with them. They have a training every week. They have like a bunch of like sources just for a little bit, and then obviously you can upgrade your class. You can get a lot of value, a lot of stuff. And so if you're curious to see like how this is work, description below, you can find the same link where I start from. And guys, I'm here because my dream is to build a team, to work together. I believe in a team and I believe in working together. So if you have any question, that'll help me a lot to this journey, because today, like as you can tell, like I'm very newbie. This is very uncomfortable for me, but I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to get out of my comfort zone and and do whatever it takes to elevate myself. And if I can do it, so can you. Thank you guys, and support my channel. Stick with me to follow my journey. Bye guys.